1972 Chevrolet Nova two-door post here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is an original Arizona car, actually sold new in Tucson. There's some paperwork that's going to go with this car, and within that paperwork, some of the original sales info from when this car was sold back in 1972 in Arizona, Tucson to be exact. Now, has underwent restoration work, and at the time of the restoration work, this car had a little over 49,000 original miles on it is all. Since the restoration has been done, roughly 9,000. I'll show you what the odometer reads here in just a bit when we start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a little walk around this car, tell you some information on it. Underneath the hood, this is correct. It does have a 383 stroker. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. We're going to check out that engine bay in just a bit. Fire it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, front disc conversion, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. Of course, the grille, bright work headlight surrounds. Not representing it as an SS. Let's go with SS Tribute. How's that sound? Cool gold paint color with that white kind of Yenko style stripe, I guess, if you will. Take your time looking through the still pictures, especially the underside. Look at how clean and nice the underside of this car is. The engine bay, interior, trunk, nicely done car. UniqueClassicCars.com. So where you can check out all the still pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And you'll be able to see all the pics I'm talking about. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Kind of an SS style rally wheel, beauty rings. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with that 383 stroke, 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. There is also a torque converter lockup switch on the interior. Get to that in just a little bit. Golden oldie. And you can see how straight that passenger side is, lower rockers. Within the paperwork I was talking about, there's also some pictures of the restoration work and kind of the process and the front end components of this car, the engine bay. That will be in with the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the chrome in the rear, and you can see the paint shows well in this car. You may find an imperfection here or there. It's been driven approximately 9,000 miles since it was restored. And you also notice the tinted glass in the side windows. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage you can have of that window tint in the darkness. Varies from state to state. This does have a 22 to 2400 RPM stall converter in it. When we get underneath the hood, you're going to see it does have the aluminum heads on it. It also has Summit aluminum radiator underneath there, headers. If you look at the underside pics, you're going to see Flowmaster exhaust, MSD distributor. This car does sound good. Those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, true dual exhaust underneath. And again, take a look at the underside pics and how clean it is underneath there, nicely done. As we take a look down the driver's side, if you're into these early 70s muscle cars, you like cars that have been restored, Chevy products in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see uploaded on there. We do upload videos daily. When these uploads are done, the vehicles are available to purchase off our website or showroom floor if you make it see us in person. I also apologize for a little noise in the background. Detail department is hard at it getting another one ready so we can picture that up, get the video done, and once again upload it to YouTube as well as our website. Let's move along to the interior, door panels, and you can see the interior has also been reupholstered. We kind of have a cloth vinyl combination, center armrest with console and cup holders. That can be removed if you wanted to take it out or have a third person ride up there. I have had the wipers working, a nice stereo system in this, I believe it was JBL speakers, We'll show you the actual head unit here in a bit. Aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Trying to make sure I don't miss out on anything here. Here's that torque converter lockup switch. Up and down, light will come on and off. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Blower fan works. Had that working again. Wipers. Alright, we're going to let it warm up here just a little bit. As you can see, tack working. There, the stereo kicked in. And again, nice sounding stereo. Oil pressure gauge, voltmeter, temp gauge. Let's take a look at the top of this dash. Good shape. Oh, this is a good sounding car. Put the headliner. Headliner looks good. No rips, tears, holes in the seat belt's intact. Door closes nicely. And how about the good part? There's that rumble. .383 stroker put in at the time of restoration, paired up with that automatic with overdrive trans. Let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood popped so we can check out that engine bay. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. There is also a dyno sheet in with the miscellaneous paperwork I've talked about. Approximately 450 horse on this 383. And again, nice polished engine bay, the Edelbrock Reformer polished intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, power steering, power brakes. You can see new brake booster, new master cylinder, AC compressor. It is all hooked up as far as hoses. Has been converted, R134, more modern. See the headers down there. Nice setup, that HEI ignition. Again, aluminum radiator, mentioned that earlier. All right, I forgot to show you the miles. I wanted to do that too, sorry about that. Now these are original, this car, 49,848. That's what restoration was done at. 56,955. It's original miles of this Arizona car. Stick around a little longer if we're taking this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. You can call us at 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1972 Chevrolet Nova with some nice custom touches on the interior. A golden color, inside and out. Strong running car, awesome exhaust sound. Sounds a little cammy to me. Great sound. This is an automatic on the column, so it's super easy to drive. Nice aftermarket steering wheel with finger grooves in the metal backer. Lots of traffic today. Our turn signals are both working. The fuel gauge is reading almost full. Under the dash we have an oil pressure light, and we're idling approximately 35 pounds, which is great. Volts are over 13 and the temperature is about 190 on the water temperature. Very nice acceleration, firm shifts from that automatic transmission, and as I said, a great sound coming from that exhaust. Nice looking headliner, almost a suede looking material to me, complemented on the seats and the door panels. wipers work on this car. The blower motor works. There's a switch under the dash on the left labeled overdrive. Not going to need that today. I'm only doing 55 miles an hour, of course. Decent sized tachometer, white face, mounted to the dash to the left of the column, matching that triple gauge set underneath from Auto Gauge. Brakes are working well. Power steering, also easy to steer. This car corners nicely, corners as it should for a 72 Chevy Nova. Lots of pull from that engine, a nice amount of power for this car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all the details of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.